Hi and welcome to another video. In this video I just wanted to go through the new Hyundai Bluelink app that's just been released in Europe. I believe it's global as well, and this is a whole new design for the app. The user interface, as you can see here, they've refreshed the whole interface on here, so it is available now for you to download. You may, like me, have not realized that it's actually come here, because I've still been using the older version that we'll have a look in a minute, and then we'll go on to using the second, the newer version of the app. So as you can see here, it's the same as an Android phone, but I'm using an iPhone. So in the App Store, you just go in there, search for Bluelink, and make sure it's the Hyundai app here. So as you can see here, about the new features, but most importantly is about the new user interface. So as you can see here, they've cleaned up everything to make it a little bit more user friendly. So it is looks a bit nicer, and how they integrated more features as well, and then the buttons as well look a bit cleaner as well. So as you can see here with the map, and then also now they've integrated calendar and some of the other features that are in the new firmware for the infotainment system that's built into the Hyundai cars, including what I've got, the Ioniq EV. So if we just go here, so as you can see here, I've already downloaded it, so I can open it here. But if we just quickly go to the previous version, so you can see the old version on the left, the Bluelink there, and then there's the new version right, with a darker blue, and now it's got the B and then Hyundai underneath it. So as you can see on the old version here, you can see here that you've got the remote status and schedule, you've got notification bell on the top right hand corner, and then you've got the refresh little circle where you can refresh the information on your car. And this was the layout. It was more of a darker color, and then you had the menus and everything down here where you could see. So now if we go on to the new version, so I've just downloaded it, and it will connect. So as it says here, it will have two options to log in. So if you're created your account before December the 9th 2020, then you'll have a Bluelink account, or if not, then you'll have a Hyundai account to log into. But most people, I think, have probably upgraded to the Hyundai account, but you can just double check with that. So I can go to the Hyundai account because I upgraded my account. I'll just accept the cookies there. So here you can create a new account, a Hyundai account, or you can log in with your current information. So I'll just quickly log in now. So as you can see, I've just logged in, and it's giving you the information of your car. So in your account, so if you've logged in the top part will say your name and email address. The middle will say the registration of your car and the model of your car, and if you have shared your access within the app to anyone. And then down here you can request as well, share your vehicle with other Bluelink users. So if you've got other people using your car within the family, then you can use that as well. So you just click on your vehicle, and then it will take you to the next screen where you got your registration, subscription information, and then your sharing settings, or share a car if you do want to, like we said before. So I just want to select this vehicle because I've only got the one, and then it will come up with numerous notifications just to ask you for location access. So we'll just allow that, and also access to your calendar, because that's one of the new features. To get access to the calendar, you probably have to update to the if you've got like a 2019 or 2020 Ioniq or Hyundai, you'll probably have to go to your dealership or upgrade, like I've done in my previous video. So as you can see here, it brings up a quick menu on some of the new features, as you can see here, where you can customize icons, so you can move them around, you can drag and drop them. Also the map, so you can set a destination and send it to your vehicle, so you have your place of work, your home, and everything else. So now it's quite good. Before you just had a PIN number, but now it accepts your fingerprint or your biometric identification, your face unlock or face ID, or your fingerprint. And then you've got my trips, so it gives you the same sort of information as previously, where how much time and distance and the average speed and the top speed you've done on that certain date and time within the trips. You have a valet mode, so this you can check the status of your vehicle in valet mode and everything else and the restrictions. And again, as we said, it's the calendar, so now you can check your events and appointments within the car, but you've got to give access to the app and within the car as well. So you've got here the service list as well. You can activate or deactivate certain services according to your preferences, wherever you want. So you can just close that. So as you can see now, the interface is much more cleaner and much nicer. So you can see it's not currently plugged in, it's connected, how many miles you've got or how many kilometers in this case. So if you are in UK, there is a known bug still with like the previous version where it shows you kilometers instead of miles. They do know about it, and I think they are fixing it soon, so hopefully a new update will come out soon. So as you can see here, you've got lock, smart climate control and unlock for your car, and then you've got more, where you can then go in here and set your other functions as well. You can start the charging and stop the charging, and also set the climate for defrost or heating, and your scheduled charging as well. If you go to status, you can see here now you've got your car, and then you've got the range, the battery level, if it's been plugged in and charging, you've got scheduling on and off, or scheduling climate control, and the status of the car, locked, climate control, others. So you can see details there of if the everything is open, so your bonnet or boot is actually open, and then vehicle management as well, so you can run a diagnostics. Then you have map, so you can see on the map here, you can then see what you've you can have quite clearly on what's going on, and it zooms all the way out kind of thing into around the globe. So as you can see here, you can see all around, and you can see what the range of your car is like before and everything else. But now you've got a bit more information as well, and it's a bit cleaner. And so you've got there in the menu, the last one, so you've got accounts, your user settings, the vehicle, so you can choose, you've got more than one Hyundai, app settings, my trips, your service list, and your preferences, and of course then the customer service about the version and everything else. So there's the current version out as of recording in September 2021 is 2.0.2. And as I said, the only bug that I know of currently is that there is a issue with some of the calendar connecting and synchronizing, and also the miles and kilometers. But if you're in Europe, then that's not really affect you, because you'll be in kilometers. So as I said, this is a quick review of the new app, and I do advise to actually download it, because it does actually look much nicer, and it's actually easier to use as well, the user interface. And I'm surprised that they haven't sent out notifications on the older app, or even emails to informing people of this new version of the app as well. So it just seems a bit strange. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it a little bit useful. And also I'll put the link to the new application in the description, so you can find it easier. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.